What's going on, guys? SRT Wolf here. In today's video, we're going to be installing the headlight intake that's normally on the Hellcats on my Scatpack shaker. So I ordered this part, let's say about a week ago, so I finally arrived. And yesterday I tried to do it, but I didn't have the proper tools for it. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step, showing you guys the tools that I used in order to install that headlight intake that quite honestly looks amazing on the Hellcats. So I'll be putting that on my Scatpack shaker today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the tools you'll be using today, or the tools I'll be using today, is a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, a long screwdriver. You don't necessarily need this, I just wanted to bring it out because I think it's pretty cool. Socket wrench with a 5x16. I brought an extra screwdriver just in case. And obviously the inlet, I got mine from Mopar. And there's a little box there, so it's official. And I'll be using a pair of gloves because my engine bay is a little bit dirty. So let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to want to take your socket wrench. And you're going to be wanting to remove this screw here.
How can the sound of joy be so haunting? They drag me down, laughing as they taunt me with words of impending doom.
You're going to want to remove this black plastic here. So as simple as just pulling it up, popping it off. Alrighty guys, so once you've got rid of the black area here and this screw right here, next thing you're going to do is pop out these push pins. So these push pins are holding these tubes together, and we're going to need to remove this entire area. So all you need to do to remove them is give them a little push there. That's why they're called push pins. Who knew? Nice and easy. You push them out. And just pull them out. Simple as that. Same one on the other side. Make sure not to lose these as well. Yank out this little tube here. Kind of wish I had my camera girl with me. It's so helpful in showing you guys this, but I'll do my best. So I'm going to try to pull this tube out. Just leave it out there. Now what you want to do is get your long screwdriver, because there's a screw back here. Let's see, I'll try to show you guys. This one right here. I'm just gonna give it a couple twists to loosen up this area here. That should be good enough there. And we just twist this area here and pull off the covering of the intake here. Alright guys, so here's the air box removed in its glory. So this is an extra step you don't necessarily need to do, but I recommend doing it because you don't want to damage this blue part here. And the reason I say that is because you're going to need to drill 4 holes in this area, because this is where the tube's going to go. Now this is plastic, you know, so when you're using the drill, there is a chance that once you drill the hole in, you can go all the way in and hit this filament. Like I said, it's not a step you need to do, but I'm going to do it because I don't want to damage this area here, and I highly recommend you guys doing the same. like I said, I normally mark this ahead of time because I didn't want to miss to drill unnecessary holes in my airbox. Like I said, you can just get a marking tool or screwdriver or something, as long as you're able to mark where you're going to be drilling. Because again, the push pins are going to be going in there. So, like I said, I already marked where I'm going to be drilling. So, here goes some. Alright guys, my apologies on that. My drill had apparently not been charged. So, after charging it, I managed to put the drill holes inside, lined up as well. So now I just need to do is put the push pins inside with the tube in there, put the air filter back in, and put that back in the car. And there's still a little bit of sunlight, so should be able to finish today. Alright guys, so now comes the, in my opinion, the most difficult part. Hey look, I got a little friend here. Hi. How you doing, buddy? My neighbor's dog. Anyways, let's get back with the video. So there you guys have it. After fighting with putting this all together and everything like that, it took me about 2 hours, honestly. But I finally got it installed. So I'm gonna be looking to see if this actually increases anything or, you know, changes my intake temperature or so on and so forth. Some people have said yes, some people have said no. Honestly, I'm gonna be the judge of that. But it looks so much better having that open inlet compared to the plastic bulb which is on that side. So I might actually do the same and just open that. I don't know if I'm gonna turn that into an intake, but we'll see what the future holds. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below. And as always guys, this is SRT Wolf signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.